Hey guys, Steven here. I'm in my Ford F150 and won't start up. I'm on my way to go to work and I see this warning that says Service Advanced Track. And when I turn the key to on, it just clicks. It doesn't do anything. And it has the Service Advanced Track warning. So I'm going to walk through a couple steps and we'll fix it together. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do is just try and reset the battery. So I'm gonna take off this nut on the, that should loosen. Yeah. Okay, this should disconnect the battery. I'm just gonna wait there a second. Okay, now we're just gonna reconnect. This is just to see if something went wrong in the, something in the electrical connection went wrong. I know my battery is not dead. I put a little jump starter on it and it didn't seem to have, it's in a dead battery. I might need to get this looked at and replaced. I need to clean that up for sure. All right, let's see what she does. Nothing. All right, so we got the key off. Key off, now turn it on. We got 12 volts, and it goes down to 11.9, but it doesn't dip low enough to cause a problem. We got some other issue going on. Battery's not the issue. Okay, so here I am underneath the truck and I want to test out the starter. Here's the starter and there is the cables. I'm going to zoom out and just show you where this is. It's, if I look out the passenger side tire and kind of come straight up behind this first bar, you'll see the starter back in here. With the key in the on position, all I'm going to do is take the screwdriver and slide along this exposed terminal of the red and touch this other terminal, and you'll see when I do, if the starter's good, then the engine will crank over, and I'll hold it there for a little while to see if the other systems are going to kick in or if it's not going to want to start. So here goes. You can go ahead and turn the key to off. So it looks like our starter's good, it's working, but somehow it's not getting the signal to turn over. So we're gonna have to figure that out. Okay, so here I am at the fuse box. I've checked all of the fuses that I can check, and now I'm going through the relays, and I noticed that one of the, if I'm looking in the book, one of the relays here, relay 7 is the run start relay. So what I just did is I took relay 7 and relay 8 and I swapped them just to test them out. The 8 is the fuel pump, but if one of those is bad, we'll be able to tell. Go ahead and try and start it again. Okay, stop. All right, so now it's turning over. It wasn't doing that before. Now it's probably not starting because I swapped the relay to the fuel relay. So let's see, what other relays can I swap it with that are not essential? Let's do, what's 62? 62 is a wiper motor relay. Yeah, so let's swipe this relay with the wiper motor relay. This one's gonna come in here, the fuel relay. This is a bad one, but we're just gonna temporarily put it in that spot. All right. Did it. So it looks like for this one we had a bad relay, so now I'm going to take this one out. I don't need the wiper motors today, it's not raining. Go to AutoZone O'Reilly and get me a new relay. Now let's see if that error comes back on. Tire pressure fault sensor, that's a separate issue. No other errors come on. Everything turns on and we fixed it. So that did it. It ended up being the run start relay that was under the hood. So if you guys have a Ford F150 that doesn't start, but it also has the Service Advanced Track warning that comes on, check those relays. That really threw me for a loop because I was focusing on other electronics that the Advanced Track controls. But check those relays. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.